Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Robinhood markets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Robinhood markets, the first step is to download the Robinhood app or visit their website. Next, create an account by providing your email address, creating a password, and entering your personal information. You will need to verify your identity by uploading a government-issued ID and possibly a selfie. Once your account is verified, link your bank account to fund your investments. After your bank account is linked, deposit funds into your Robinhood account. You can now explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. To find stocks or ETFs to invest in, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you have identified an investment opportunity, tap on the stock or ETF to view its details. Review key information, such as the price history, market cap, and analyst ratings. When ready to invest, tap on the Trade button and select Buy. Enter the amount of money you wish to invest or the number of shares you want to purchase. Make sure to review the order details before confirming the transaction. After you confirm the order, you will receive a notification that your trade was successful. Monitor your investments through the app to track their performance over time. Consider setting up alerts for price changes or market news related to your investments. As a beginner, remember to educate yourself about market trends and investment strategies. Utilize Robinhood's educational resources for additional guidance on investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.